All right, my friends, take a look at this last page of the text. It says, Johnny has a soft bed. Good night, Johnny. This is where the book ends. Let's take a look at what we're going to do for the last slide of the day. We're going to do some writing. The directions say write and or draw your opinion. What do you think Johnny will do when he wakes up? Interesting. The book ends here with him going to bed. They're asking us to write an opinion about what they think will happen next. What will happen next when Johnny wakes up? When nighttime is over and the sun comes up and it's daytime? What do you think Johnny's going to do next? Let's remember about how we write an opinion text. First, we start with our opinion statement. I think. Then we give reasons from the text. Why do you think what you said? What happened in the text to make you feel that way or to make you think that way? And then to wrap it all up, we restate our opinion in a different way. You may write your text right here in the square here by adding a text box, or you can write it in your writing journal. It's up to you. I can't wait to hear what you think is going to happen next. I have my idea. I'm curious if you think the same as me or differently. Is it okay for us to have different opinions about what we think will happen next? Why, yes, it is. It's okay for us to have different opinions because remember, our opinion is what we think. We just need to have reasons from the text to back it up. So if my opinion and your opinion are not exactly the same, that's okay. But it's not okay for us to say our opinion and not give reasons from the text. Looking for that evidence, my friends. Looking for those reasons from the text. All right, happy writing.